Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ownership and making a full backup. Once done, locate the BitLocker recovery key or the admin account password because you will need it to disable protection. Next, sign into Windows with an administrator account and connect the drive internally or via a trusted dock. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. This gives you the tools to manage encryption. Make sure System Restore is enabled, so you can revert if something goes wrong during the removal process. Once you're in the right environment, open BitLocker Management in Settings or run Manage BDE Status to confirm the drive is encrypted. If it is, run Manage BDE off X. Using the drive letter, this initiates decryption. Alternatively, use Control Panel BitLocker Drive Encryption and click Turn off BitLocker, then confirm. Decryption can take time depending on drive size. Make sure the PC remains powered and connected. The Y, complete decryption removes the password requirement and restores normal access to files. Finally, remove any remaining passwords. If the drive had a firmware or ATA password, go into BIOS or UEFI security settings and remove it using the existing password or the manufacturer's utility. Y, firmware locks block access before Windows loads. If you're removing a Windows sign-in password, use Account Sign-in options and set a blank or alternate sign-in method. If the drive won't decrypt or firmware tools reject the password, stop and contact the device vendor. Forced resets can erase all data, so avoid guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.